I think by the year 2024, the American Welding Society speculates that we're going to be short 400,000 welders in the United States alone, just welders. So the demand for skilled trades is really going through the roof right now.
Well, I decided to go with welding as a career path because in one of my high school classes we did a career project, and I looked at welding and learned that it can be a very good career path and have day-to-day benefits of getting the job done.
The most well-known welding program in the area. I don't really know of many of the other regular colleges that have a program like it, so it's one of the best.
So with welding, there's a lot of different processes, and they're used in different applications, like in aerospace. There's even underwater welding, and then automation and robotics.
I mean, there's a million applications for it because there's all sorts of products. Like there's production line, there's pipe welding out in the field. Yeah, there's just so many options and it's hard to pick.
I mean, we have all different types of machines, and I mean, welding can be on anything, any type of metal, and you can build literally anything you want.
I've actually been interested in looking into boiler welding, and that's like pipe welding. It's pretty difficult, so it'd be really awesome if I could be able to do that and push myself to be that good.
Wake Tech has been excellent in providing us with welding recruits.
A lot of our students are actually getting welding jobs in their first and second semester and holding them.
I think it's a really great start for people to get a foot in the door, to get the experience. There's a lot of great jobs out there that pay a lot of money, but they also want that person to have anywhere between 3 to 5 years of experience. Schooling does at times play into that, but a lot of them are wanting more of the real world experience and not the condensed in classroom experience. So I think places like Morris or places like Bueller or Aeroglider, things of that nature, is a really great place for people to get in there, work on your welding skills, hone in on what you like.
My teacher, JT, he did work at Morris, and I heard all the stories about it, but what really did attract me was the stainless steel welding. I really do like welding stainless, and when I heard that that's all they do here, I knew I had to be a part of it. It's a different thing every day. I mean, you're working on, like these ribs we have here, you're working on the tanks, you're working on small projects, whereas an assembly line, you're laying the same weld day in, day out for the entirety of your shift.
We have both male and female welders. We had a young lady start 2-3 years ago. She's been with us since. She seems to have adapted really well to the environment, and she's one of our better employees.
I feel like a lot of female welders starting off are a little bit intimidated because they feel like this is a male-dominated industry. It seems to me that their need for perfection, their eye to detail is more spot on than that of a man. And I encourage that. I encourage they're wanting everything perfect because it's that niche in the welding industry that we need more of.
I mean, I would say why not? If you really enjoy it, just go for it, because nobody can really stop you, you know? If you really like it, there's plenty of space for you, and the welding community would love to have you.